Hey there, health spiffers. Leo M in the house, your go-to guide for all things health related. Today, we're diving deep into a topic that's vital for our well-being, the top 7 foods for our precious body organs. So, buckle up and get ready to give your organs the love and care they deserve. Before we kick things off, if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and join the Health Spiffy family. Food 1. Blueberries. First up on our list are these tiny, yet mighty, blueberries. Packed with antioxidants, these little blue powerhouses are like superheroes for your brain. Studies suggest that the antioxidants in blueberries may delay brain aging and improve memory function. So, grab a handful and give your brain the boost it needs. Food 2. Fatty fish. Swimming into the second spot are fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and trout. These fish are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which are essential for heart health. Omega-3s can help reduce the risk of heart disease, lower blood pressure, and even improve cholesterol levels. Your heart will thank you for incorporating these oceanic delights into your diet. Food 3. Broccoli. Now, let's talk about the unsung hero in the vegetable world, broccoli. This green powerhouse is loaded with vitamins, minerals, and fiber. But what makes broccoli a rock star for your body organs is its high content of sulforaphane, a compound with potential anti-cancer properties. So, steam it, stir-fry it. Just get that broccoli on your plate. Food 4. Walnuts. Nuts about good health? Well, you should be. Coming in at number 4 are walnuts. These brain-shaped wonders are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, antioxidants, and vitamin E. Research suggests that including walnuts in your diet may support brain health and improve cognitive function. Snack on these for a brain-boosting treat. Food 5. Spinach. Popeye was onto something with his love for spinach. This leafy green is a nutrient powerhouse, especially when it comes to supporting our vital organs. Spinach is rich in iron, which is crucial for healthy blood and preventing anemia. Plus, its abundance of vitamins and antioxidants makes it a top contender for overall organ health. Food 6. Sweet potatoes. Moving on to number 6, we have the sweet and nutritious sweet potatoes. Packed with fiber, vitamins, and minerals, these orange delights are not only delicious but also excellent for your digestive health. The high fiber content promotes a healthy gut, supporting the function of your digestive organs. Baked, mashed, or roasted, enjoy them any way you like. Food 7. Avocado. Last but certainly not least, we have the creamy and dreamy avocado. Avocados are a nutrient-dense fruit, loaded with heart-healthy monounsaturated fats. These fats are great for your cardiovascular system, helping to lower bad cholesterol levels. Plus, avocados are a fantastic source of potassium, essential for maintaining healthy blood pressure. There you have it, health spiffers. The top 7 foods to give your vital body organs the TLC they need. Remember, it's not just about eating, but about nourishing your body with the right fuel. If you found this information helpful, give it a thumbs up, hit subscribe, and share it with your fellow health spiffers. Until next time, stay spiffy, stay healthy.